This is the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Risk appetite cooled a little on Tuesday in a move that generally looked like some profit-taking after an astonishing rally across multiple charts, with little in the way of news to justify the more cautious mood. The turbocharged commodity currencies all retreated even against a dollar that was weak itself, while stock markets mostly pulled back from their recent highs as investors took some chips off the table ahead of today's Fed decision. Yet the market has regained its footing on Wednesday, and the mood is more cheerful, with commodity currencies on the rise again, the defensive dollar on the back foot, and futures pointing to some mild gains when Wall Street opens. Whether this serenity can last, though, will depend on the Fed. Having acted powerfully already, and with some recent signs that its actions were indeed effective in averting a deeper crisis, the Fed is not expected to make any more moves today. Instead, all the price action will come from the signals about how long rates will stay low, if yield curve control is a real possibility, and from the updated economic projections. Following the recent encouraging U.S. employment report, some think the Fed might take its foot off the accelerator. However, it's probably much too early for that. The Fed will likely stick to its uber-dovish stance until it has clearer evidence of a recovery, not just a single data point. A reaffirmation of the low rates as far as the eye can see stance, and even more importantly, any hints that yield curve control is under serious consideration would argue for another push higher in stocks and more pain for the greenback. Anything short of that would likely trigger a U-turn in both assets. The outlier yesterday was the Nasdaq, which hit a new record high, despite the broader risk-off tones, and is primed for another positive open today. The tech-heavy index continues to outperform as investors pile into higher quality names like Apple and Amazon, both of which hit new records. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.